Yağmur Yüksel and Barış Baktash were recently spotted at the airport, and fans were delighted to see them while waiting for their flight. The couple shared a beautiful picture together, which immediately catch the attention of their followers. Dressed comfortably but still stylish, Yağmur and Barış looked completely relaxed and happy as they spent time together at the airport. Their bright smiles and close connection were on full display in the photo, giving fans a glimpse of their peaceful and joyful relationship. The couple is known for sharing these special moments with their fans, and this airport snap was no different. Their fans are always eager to see what they are up to next, and these sweet pictures gave them another reason to admire this beloved couple.